Today, the family is planning a vacation together. Everyone is very excited.
I want to go there.
Oh, what's up, people?
And I want to go there.
The son says, I want to go to the beach.
The daughter says, I want to see the mountains.
The family packs their bags. Everyone helps happily. It is travel day. The family is ready to go.
They are on the way. The children feel very happy.
Family time is the best time. Traveling together is fun.
Like this video and subscribe for more Learning Jubilee channel.